Is your phone not charging properly? Before you replacing the charge port, watch this. Most of the times the problem is not the charge port. It's just dust and dirt inside. Let Let's check this phone. From outside everything looks fine, but when I focus on the charge port, you can see the dust stuck inside. Now I am using a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. It is very safe for electronics and it dries quickly. I gently applied it inside the charge port and the speaker areas. Next I used a soft brush to clean the dirt properly. You can see dust come out. Now I carefully use a tweezers to remove the thick dust inside. Be very gently and don't damage the charge port pins. After cleaning again, the charge port is completely clear. Finally, I clean the phone and wipe it with a cloth. That's it. Remember, 90% of charging problems are just dirt, not a damage of charge port. So always clean first before replacing anything. Thank you.